everyone! I'm back with another mystery box review. This one is from Ambitions Runway. It's the 5-pound defective box again, just like last time. Last time I got like 3 items that were fine, and the rest of the items, I only had 2 that I had to get rid of, and the rest of the items I just had to like wipe off some makeup or something. So I decided to order another one. It was $11.49, and I weighed it and it's over 5 pounds, so we'll see what's in here. So let's get into it. It looks like this. Nothing fancy. She just said she just picked up some and threw it in and weighed it. So first, we got, it's a 1-sleeve dress from Express. It's a size 10. Last time in my box I didn't get anything more than a medium, so this is good. I don't see any flaws on this right away. Last time I didn't either, and then I looked back through and I saw some. But so far it's just really wrinkly. Sometimes the stains hide in the wrinkles too, but I don't see any tears or anything. Let's see. Zipper works. Oh, I think I know. You can see that the thing on this side isn't there to latch it, but like, who really uses that anyway, you know? So, there's this one. Next is this sweater. It's a 1 size. I think I see the problem. There's a snag on the inside. I'm thinking. I don't see anything on the outside. But yeah, it's just a 1 size. Like an oversized sweater. Oh, I see what happened. The zipper doesn't have a pull thingy on, which I think that should be an easy fix. I think you can get something to put on it. I'm not sure. If not, I can sell it as it is because a lot of people don't really zip oversized sweaters. So I can still probably sell that, especially since it's new with tags. Okay, next is this skirt. I think it's a skirt. Yeah, it's just a really thin skirt. I don't see anything wrong with this right away. No snags. It has pockets. Oh, there's a tiny snag right there. But it's hidden in the ruffles. So it should be fine. I'll just put it in the listing and that should be fine. It's not new with tags, but I'm sure it's new. Next item is a size large Express. What would you call this? A cardigan. Oh, it does have a hole. You can see that. I can fix it. It's black and it's right by the shoulder. So I should be able to fix that, and I'll obviously put it in the listing. And it should be fine. It doesn't have tags. Oh wait, there's another hole. Oh, no, it's not. It's just kind of a white mark. I can probably wipe it off. But yeah, I'm happy with this. I can fix that. It's an easy fix. Get a few bucks out of it. Next is this Express sweater. It must be oversized because it says it's an extra small. There is, oh, let's see, there is I'm not sure if this is a snag or if it's supposed to be there. And then there's a hole, which again, I'm going to try to fix that. I might even be able to wear this. But If not, I'll just put it in the listing, and I've been able to sell flawed items pretty well. So that one's okay. This is Express the Portofino shirt. I've sold this before for pretty good money, actually. This has quite the following. Already I see a stain here, and it's white, so I can probably use some bleach or something to get this out. I don't see anything else wrong with it. So all it is a stain, and hopefully it'll come out. I mean, it's white, so I'll try it. Next is this tank top, and the same thing was wrong with this that was wrong. I got another tank top like this. The stitching has come out. Last time I just threw it away because it wasn't really worth it to fix it. I don't know what I'll do with this one. Maybe I'll try to sell it on Mercari or something. Someone who sells can buy it. I'm not sure, but that's just a regular red tank top. Next is this Express sweater again, and I see a hole right there, but again, I can probably fix that. It's small enough, shouldn't be a problem. Let's see if that's the only flaw. Yes, I don't see any more flaws, so not bad. It's not the best color in the world, but it's okay. That flaw is not that big of a deal. And last but not least, we have this funky shirt. It has like holes all through it, intentional holes. Intentional holes and a very unintentional hole. You can see that, I'm not sure. I don't know what I'll do with this one, because there's a huge snag on it too. So just to recap, I got this with a hole. This has the stitching out of it. This has a hole and a run. These have a small hole. This, forget what was wrong. Oh yeah, it has a hole too. This has the missing part on the zipper. And this has a missing part on the zipper. So, and this shirt that has a stain on it. So altogether I got pieces. Last time I got 14, but they were all like lighter pieces. So I'll see this. It makes it a little over $1 each, like $1.50, a little less than $1.50. So I will try to fix up what I can for these ones and see what I can do with them. I can definitely make my money back, I'm pretty sure, and I might even have a few pieces for myself here. So I don't think she's selling them anymore. I'm not sure, she might sell them again. But this is my second one. The first one was definitely better, but this will give me a project to work on and I will definitely make my money back. So thanks for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more videos.